So you do your best to save your gift shopping for the last minute. And recycle. Realistically, that is. Saves money. You could say I'm a materialist. I save materials. But we all know that most of our recycling just goes to the landfill. Cities don't have the money to pay people to sift through our rubbish. Plus, foreign countries, they're just not buying up our trash anymore like they used to. I guess you could say one man's trash is now another man's garbage. Now start with the bag you've got, if you can. Many cities don't offer bags anymore at certain stores. Laws. And I get it, microplastics are here to stay. Everybody's blood's got it. It's a shame. First, cut off the handles, and then the butt, and then in half. As square as possible to completely cover your gift, and don't tape it to the box in case it's a collector. And if you've got some spares, double bagger for transparency. No one likes to see what they're getting these days. It's poor taste, it's unfashionable. And while you're at it, you might as well cut out a snowflake from a different colour bag. Cover your shame, man. You've already gone this far. And if you really want to put a bow on top, you know, icing on the cake, then put a bow on top. Just cut a strip from another colour for a wee bit of contrast. Look at that, she cleaned up real nice, didn't she? Still not the prettiest, but it's what's inside that counts. Sure, in hindsight I would have ran to a factory and had them make the bags bigger so I could have overlapped on the bottom of my package instead of on the sides, but that's lemonade for you. Last minute gift wrapping can be quite the pain, so keep this little trick in your pocket. Comes in handy for other holidays, like Valentine's Day or Sean Connery's birthday. Sean Connery's birthday?